Right, here's some stuff. Yeah, I was supposed to, wait, did I get my, what? I should have got a, thing. That's weird. Okay, I didn't get my, what? Okay, that's weird. All I got was the, filters. What? That's weird. Here. Anyway. Filter. And, filters right here. 2 each. Yeah, I didn't get the mask. Huh. That's weird. Guess I'm getting tomorrow. Okay, here's the thing I had to sign for. Okay, I didn't get the mask that I bought. That's weird. This is coming tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, here's the thing I had to sign for. It's a JJ Care heavy duty trauma bag. 250 pieces of first aid supplies, mostly essentials, ready to use, multi-purpose, good quality. Okay. Basically, it's like a small little bag. I'm gonna show you what's in here. I can. Second. Oh wow, this is a lot of room. Okay, I didn't get the mask. Dude, that is super weird. Oh well. Okay, yeah, there's a bunch of this stuff in here. Okay, so... Okay, this is something. Okay, comes with 2 of these. 2 of those. Mostly blanket, which I have no use for. Comes with a couple triangle bandages. Okay. It comes with shears. It's the little cheapo shears. I think this is a rat tourniquet. But that's actually really good to have a tourniquet in there. Flashlight type thing for what you have. Couple things of gauze. Roll gauze. A few of these. One, yeah. A bunch of different ointments and all that. A Sam tourniquet, or Sam, what do we call it? Actually, that's funny because I've been wanting to get one of these. So, yeah. Some bandages. A lot of bandages. Okay. What's in here? A crap ton of gloves. A finger one of these. One of these. Okay. Honestly, it's really good just to have. So that, okay, so I should have got the thing too. That's weird. That's really weird, actually. Okay, let me get all this back in here. Oh wait, there's one more thing. A steel gauze and all that. Basic gauze and all that. There's a bunch of big gauze too. Okay, let's get this back in here. Oh, man. That's interesting. An airway thing. An ice pack. Standard. Bone gel. Standard. Another ice pack. Standard. Honestly, this would be really good just to have as whatever. And then a complete kit. Oh, depletion valve. I'm assuming you get this. So, yeah. That's in that. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if there's actually anything else in here. Probably not. I don't know. You got ball. Yeah, that's what's in here. It's basically what you'll need. You know, this goes right here, I believe. Where's the other ones? These right here go here. These go right here. I'm gonna put these right here anyway, because they see what you can do there. That, the light, which I'm probably not gonna be using. Then it shows you a little bit of care, a little bit of things of okay, no, blah blah blah. It's some basic stuff that you'll need, basically. So yeah, that's this bag. There's nothing here. There's nothing new. Okay. New. Yeah. That's basically what's it. You know. So you know. It's basically a small little EMT bag. I had to sign for it. Okay. Yeah. Pretty nice. So yeah, anyway. That's what I got for today. Besides the one thing that's over there. So yeah. I'm going to see about where the heck the... Because I bought together and it didn't show up. That's weird. Anyway. Peace. In Postbox Survival, peace.